Welcome to my channel.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this simple t-shirt. I'm gonna be making it for my little girl. She's 9. This fabric is not stretchy, it's just polyester, so I'm gonna be using a very wide width for it. So measure your neckline and the shoulder, then measure 1 inch down here to slant for the shoulder. Then from that 1 inch you measure down for the armhole. I'm taking this inch for her. Cut along to the neckline. Now get the other piece for the back, place it over. The neckline is going to be higher. Instead of 4 inches, I'll be using 3 inches, 3 by 4. Then trace the armhole the same. Let's go. Place the right side together and sew along this way all the way down. When you are done, now we'll be getting ready to make the sleeve. You know, t-shirt sleeves are usually cut together, but I'll be making a separate sleeve for this one. This is for the sleeve. You fold it, cut it based on how long you want it. Measure the bicep. It's 4 for me. I'm sure you know how to make your sleeve, so I'm gonna run on this one. Put a notch there so that you know where the middle is. Take another piece of same size, put it on top of it, trace and cut. Now you have 2 sleeves. Looks like my sleeves are short, but I think it will still work. Now you pin it all the way through down to the armpits. That way you will be able to find out if your cutting is accurate or not. When you have pinned it all around, then it looks like this. Then you sew it around and go down to the armpit. So you cover this place up and do the same on the other side of the shirt. Now it's time to do the neck. I'm going to be using this. This is a piece from a t-shirt. You can buy a rib knit for your own neckline, but I'm going to be using this piece of t-shirt. It's stretchy, so when you pin it down, be sure to stretch it. That will give the neck a well-balanced shape. It's all pinned down, so I'm gonna sew it. I will be using zigzag on my sewing machine. My zigzag is number 4. Number 4. You see the zigzag here, so I'm gonna put the number. I think zigzag is good when you are sewing a stretchy fabric, when you want to stretch it. So my daughter is wearing it. You can see the side. It's not stretchy, so it's a little bit difficult for her to get in, so I decided to attach a side zipper to make it easier for her to get in. And that's it. There you go. It looks like the sleeves are really short, but that's fine. She likes it. I'll put a link for you to get the fabric if you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.